I'm Andy Fish. I'm Executive Director of AdvaMedDx. AdvaMedDx is the trade association representing the manufacturers of in vitro diagnostic tests, which is a significant part of the conversation that we're having today. And we operate as a division of AdvaMed, which is the medical device trade association. I'm very pleased to be partnering today with the American Association for Cancer Research on this briefing. We enjoy a great relationship with AACR on putting on collaborative and educational events like this. And so again, I want to thank them for collaborating with us on this event as well, which we're really looking forward to. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time up here because I think our speakers are the ones you're here to hear from. I just wanted to spend a moment talking about precision medicine and just kind of discuss some definitional issues. And then I'll introduce our speakers very briefly and we'll get on with the program. NIH defines precision medicine as an emerging approach for disease treatment and prevention that takes into account individual variability in genes, environment, and lifestyle for each person. FDA, in one of their leading documents recently, described personalized medicine in the following way, or discussed it in the following way, and said personalized medicine is often described as having the right patient with the right drug at the right dose at the right time. Or more broadly, personalized medicine may be thought of as the tailoring of medical treatment to the individual characteristics, needs, and preferences of a patient during all stages of care, including prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up. Several terms, including precision medicine, stratified medicine, targeted medicine, and pharmacogenomics, are sometimes used interchangeably with personalized medicine. Precision medicine is perhaps most synonymous to personalized medicine and has been defined by the National Academy of Sciences, and I promise this is the last phrase, as the use of genomic, epigenomic exposure and other data to define individual patterns of disease, potentially leading to better individual treatment. So if you think through all of that, really what this comes down to is our increasing ability to find characteristics of individual patients that are relevant to making decisions about what to do about their health, whether it's assessing risk or making treatment decisions. And as we think about precision medicine and talk about why there's so much continuing growing excitement about this field, it's not because precision medicine and personalized medicine haven't been with us in some fashion for quite a while. It's because there are new tools being developed and ever more widely available that are giving us a deeper level of insight into particularly the genetic and genomic makeup of individuals. That as we determine and learn more about those makeups, we're finding that they're increasingly relevant to the therapies we can provide and make other decisions about treatment. So that is the topic of today's briefing. We're looking forward to hearing from a series of excellent high-level expert speakers about the implications and progress in this field. So I will introduce in the order of their speaking the following folks. Their bios are in your folder, so I'm not going to spend time going over their impressive credentials. Kathy Hudson is the Deputy Director for Science Outreach and Policy at the National Institutes of Health, of course, a leading agency on the administration's Precision Medicine Initiative. Sally Howard is Acting Chief of Staff. Sorry about that. Sally Howard is Acting Chief of Staff at FDA. Tad Lazarus is the Chief Medical Officer for QIAGEN, one of our member companies. Nancy Roach is founder. I'm sorry, that's not in order. After Sally, we'll hear from Dr. Solit. David Solit is Director of the Kravis Center for Molecular Oncology at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. After that, we will hear from Dr. Lazarus from QIAGEN, and finally from Nancy Roach, who is founder and chair of the board of Fight Colorectal Cancer. So without further ado, let's hear from our first speaker.